everyone. Happy Saturday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. The weather is fabulous today in Los Angeles. Week ago it was crazy, very hot like Bangladesh. Now it really looks like Southern California. Weather is very nice. Very temperature is like 78 degrees Fahrenheit around 2 o'clock Saturday. And today I have a guest coming in at my place, Tseyang and Dhonam. They are pretty new to Southern California community, and I've invited for them for Momo dinner. So we'll see how it goes. All right, ciao. So I got all the shopping for Momo today. I have a flour from Trader Joe. It's unbleached all-purpose flour. I have onion here, and I have the keema. It's a ground beef 80% lean, 20% fat, right? So perfect. And then I have a salad here, the spinach salad, and these are like seasoned broccoli. I think salad goes very well with Momo, right? Because it's Momo is like a non-veg, so you need at least have some combinations of veg. Salad would be perfect. All right, happy Saturday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. So today I'm with Dhonam and Tseyang, and we are making Momo process. All right, so we'll show you the process in a while. We already finished the red chili. Red chili is here, very hot, spicy. And we have keema.
Yeah, keema.
The beef, 80% beef and 20% lean, right? And we have a dough already here.
Everything is ready.
And the soup is already in the process. Yeah, I already put the bones inside. You can check it out. The bone is there. You see there? Yeah, that'll be a nice soup. Later, once it's done. All right, so we're chilling now. Saturday. Happy Saturday, everyone. Yeah, we're in the second process. Now, Dhonam is making the dough, flattened dough. He's doing the old traditional way. He made it all this dough here inside. It's small, kind of ball. So he'll do one by one, and then we'll show you the keema, right? The beef mixture, right? Yeah. So we'll show you once he makes the dumpling. We got 2 trays of momos getting ready. Looks very good. Looks very crowded a little bit. But anyway, it's good, like very tiny momo, So we gotta put it on the... So I'm giving a tour to Dhonam and Tseyang today at my apartment in Hawthorne, California. This is how the apartment looks like. See, there's 2-story, and every bedroom is single, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, living room. 了这了某某看得多，
啊嘛，
是不晓得？
我晓得
哦，那是我这某某的，刚来干那行不多大呀，是吧？啊，是说刚来干这啥地个我那错。Oh, our momo has become like this. Looks very tasty. I will try in a few seconds. All right. And my friends enjoy the momo. And weather is superb. And we're having a really great time tonight. Watching some Tibetan TV, some wedding. Oh, this is a parliament in Dharamshala. Tibetan parliament going on there. 7 days. I think they finished 4 days, and Parliament was, I believe, due to some protest, for the remainder, unless the Parliament, convenes again. We don't know. Hope for the best. All right.